In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Constant Contact to Squarespace. To get started, open Constant Contact and sign into your dashboard. This is where you will manage your integrations and connect your email marketing tools to other platforms. Make sure you are logged into the correct account before you continue, so the connection is linked to the right website. Once you are inside the Constant Contact dashboard, look for the Tools section. From there, go to Apps and Integrations. This area is where Constant Contact keeps all of its available third-party connections, including website platforms like Squarespace. If it takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds and let the page fully appear before moving on. Inside Apps and Integrations, use the search bar to look for Squarespace. When you see the Squarespace application card appear in the results, click on it to open the integration page. This page will give you the option to begin connecting the two accounts. Next, click Connect Account. This will start the authorization process between Constant Contact and Squarespace. At this point, you may be redirected to a Squarespace sign-in page. Go ahead and log into your Squarespace account when prompted. Be sure to use the account that has access to the website you want to connect. After signing in, Squarespace will usually ask you to choose the specific website instance you want to authorize. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to select the correct one. This is important because the integration will apply to the site you choose here. Once you have selected your website, click Allow to approve the connection. This gives Constant Contact permission to connect with your Squarespace site. After that, the integration should be completed, and the two platforms will be linked. If you do not see the connection right away, wait a few moments and refresh the page. Sometimes integrations take a short time to finish syncing. It is also a good idea to double-check that you approve the correct site during the authorization step. That is the full process for adding Constant Contact to Squarespace. Once connected, you can move forward with using the integration as needed inside your account. And that is all there is to it.